Sri Lanka, the most beautiful place in the world. Today, we will see the extraordinary beauty of Sri Lanka. Sigiriya. Our journey begins at Sigiriya, this nearly 200-meter-high lion rock fortress was once the royal palace of King Kashyapa. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it stands as a unique masterpiece of history and architecture. Kandy. Here lies the famous temple of the sacred tooth relic. It is considered one of the most sacred places for Buddhists around the world. Yala National Park. For wildlife lovers, Yala National Park offers an unforgettable experience. Here, visitors can witness leopards, elephants, peacocks, and countless other wild animals. Every safari moment feels thrilling and adventurous. Gale Fort. Located on the southern coast, Gale Fort takes us back to the colonial era. Built by the Dutch, this historic fortress still tells stories of the past. Ella. Filled with breathtaking natural beauty, Ella is one of Sri Lanka's most popular tourist destinations. The scenic train journey through Ella is considered one of the most beautiful railway experiences in the world. Dambulla Cave Temple. Dambulla Cave Temple is Sri Lanka's most famous cave temple. It houses hundreds of ancient Buddha statues and stunning wall paintings. Nuwara Eliya. Nuwara Eliya is known for its cool climate and vast tea gardens. Many people also call this charming town Little England. Marissa. For sea lovers, Marissa is truly a paradise. Whale watching, surfing, and enjoying breathtaking sunsets make this destination unforgettable. Adams Peak. Adams Peak is not just a mountain. It is a spiritual journey. The sunrise from its summit creates a truly heavenly experience. Anuradhapura. Rich with the remains of ancient civilization, Anuradhapura was the first capital of Sri Lanka. Its 1,000-year-old architecture still stands proudly as a witness to history. Bentota. Bentota is famous for its beautiful beaches and exciting water sports. Here, visitors can enjoy both adventure and relaxation. Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage is a safe sanctuary for injured and orphaned elephants. Every day, thousands of tourists gather to watch the elephants bathing in the river. Houghton Plains National Park. Our final destination is Houghton Plains National Park. It is a dream destination for nature and trekking lovers, especially the breathtaking view from the famous World's End viewpoint, leaves every visitor amazed.